What's up, guys? In this video, we will be talking about two of the top online trading platforms and what are the things that I feel you guys need to know the most. That way you would be able to pick the best value for all your investments. Not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be checking out two websites in this video. We will be checking out Invidia Trade's website and talk about all the things that I feel you guys will benefit from them. And Eightcap is here as well. So we will be putting all those links in the description of the video. So Invidia Trade and Eightcap both are offering online trading in Forex, CFDs, cryptocurrencies, and more. But Invidia Trade is consistently standing out for its user experience, flexible tools, and that customer focus. Now, user experience, talking about user experience and platform innovation, guys. Invidia Trade's platform, especially the Cloud View and Cloud Traders Vision X, are frequently praised for their intuitive design and powerful charting features. And a product hunt review highlighted, guys, Cloud View, super intuitive, and the tech is really advanced. And in contrast, guys, Eightcap relies on the MetaTrader suite with no proprietary interface. Though solid, it lacks the innovation and polish of Invidia Trade's platform. Now, in terms of the speed and reliability area, okay, Invidia Trade's user reports seamless deposits, withdrawals, and fast performance. Now, one user also said that their withdrawal showed up in their wallet in less than an hour, which is really, really good. And on the other hand, guys, Eightcap, while offering the free withdrawals, has occasional client complaints over delays or frozen trades, which is, not very good for user experience. Now, for community and support, guys, this is also one area that I am keen on. Whenever I need customer support or wherever I need assistance in terms of navigating or where I can find this, what I can do with this, I want to make sure that I have somebody that would be able to assist me, that would provide the results that I am looking for in a short span of time. So Invidia Trade fosters active engagement, which is offering PAM accounts, real-time market insights, and strong customer service. Now, the reviewers emphasize responsive support and consistently reliable service. That is one thing that I am really, really particular on, guys. Now, Eightcap support, guys, is generally good, but its educational content is limited and research tools have lagged recently. Now, that is one thing that you would need to review on, guys. And just like what I always tell you, make sure to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, so you can also, make informed decisions with all your choices for your investments. And another one, guys, costs and fees. Now, we all know that every trader is very particular on the cost and the fees for their trades. Now, while both brokers are competitively priced, Eightcap charges on average, okay, for Euro USDT cost of 0.76 pips, including commissions. While Invidia Trade emphasizes lower fees, many users noting the cost effectiveness of the trading platform. Now, my final verdict, what do I think about Invidia Trade versus Eightcap? So although Eightcap is offering a robust MetaTrader-based service with regulation across Tier 1 jurisdictions, Invidia Trade provides a more modern, user-friendly experience, and its innovative platform is actually efficient and also has a stellar client feedback. So as discussed above, which gives it a clear edge for traders that are seeking ease of use and responsive support. So guys, again, do your own research. Go ahead and check out all those websites. There are a lot of information, tons of information actually, that would definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know more on who they are, what they're doing, and what are the value propositions that they could offer, including, the tools, the benefits, and all those areas that you would need support on. So go ahead and check that one out. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.